Wacha tu Lucy.
Just as the Lord said that dust he made you and dust you will return. Your Excellency, Mr. President, Deputy, all the members of Parliament, I greet you all. It is so sad that today I'm standing here pronouncing and reading the tribute of my late father. His Excellency, the man who is lying here, was my son. He was my daddy. He was my smile keeper. He was my encourager. And most of all, he was the treasure in my heart. He was one of the most person whom I gave the highest respect, for he cared for all of us, not only me, but also my young ones. Not only the young ones, but also in our studies. He worked so hard, His Excellency, to look for our school fees all, to look for us and take care of us, to cater for our needs, His Excellency. Now, his friends and fans are all here to celebrate the death of the late John DeMatthew. I am personally too weak to do anything. I can't believe that he is no more. But one thing I know, he is still with us in our spiritual life. He never meant to say goodbye, and we never meant to say goodbye to him. I thought it was a dream when I received the news, but oh my, if only I had the reverse button to reverse it back and say that I need my daddy back. He's no longer no more, and we have to accept it. He was the only person who could be there with me, who could even write a song just to know, just for us all to know that he loves us. He always took care of everyone. He went to the orphanage. He encouraged the young children. He did an harambe to every person who was in need. It was an accident, yes. And let me say in front of you all, 3 days before he died, I had a terrific dream that my real dad had an accident. And the accident was about him having a roundabout and the car got on fire. I never knew that it could be real. I prayed a whole rosary at night. I could even say I'm okay, and yet inside I was not okay. I really love my real dad, Evans Muru Nganga. I love my mother. I loved my dad. Daddy, wherever you are, know that wherever I was, I never knew that the dream could be true. People say that dreams no longer come true, but I never knew that this one could be one. Daddy, you looked for me a school where I could learn. You took care of my needs when I came to your home. You encouraged me. You taught me how to cook. You taught me how to iron your clothes. Now they're in the closet, all ironed, but no one is to wear them. Daddy, rest in peace. Daddy, in my heart, I will always love you. I will never, ever in my life forget you. The memories that we shared together, Daddy, I will place them in my heart. Everything that we did together, Daddy, I will remember them in my mind. Daddy, please come back home. But I know you're only sleeping in a place where all angels are watching over you. Daddy, I will miss you. Daddy, I will forever love you. I never believed that you're gone. And until date, I know that you are sleeping. Daddy, I love you so much.